You got it! Good job, Jenny! I like it when it hits rocks and you can hear it go. Yeah. Well, hello guys. And have you ever wondered what things are for? Like, what is this little black thing? Do you know what it's for, Julie? No? All right. So I brought my daughters out here to teach them about gun safety and shooting. And I figured I would teach you as well. So this is a little clip that goes to a gun that holds the bullets. So come along and I'll teach you as well.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give a huge thumbs up. Today we'll be shooting guns.
We also brought our golden retriever. Her name is Lady, and she is very scared of guns. And I don't know if you can see her shaking, but she's over here in the corner. And so we got to train her not to be scared of guns. So that's what we brought her out here for. She's doing a lot better than she used to.
I know, she used to run away.
She used to hide under the truck, huh? And just shiver. She just barely tried to jump in the truck. But we need to teach her that
guns aren't scary.
They're not scary. They can be very dangerous, but for a dog, she shouldn't be scared of them. All right, let's do it. So this is just a toy gun that I had when I was a little kid. And I want to let you know that guns are very dangerous. And so you should not be using a gun unless you have your parents' permission or you're with an adult. And your parents should have them locked away so little kids can't get into them. So this is called the butt of the gun. And the butt of the gun goes right up next to your shoulder. It shouldn't go on your chest or clear down here or on your arm. It goes right up next to your shoulder. And your other hand here is to support it, and your other hand is here to pull the trigger. And I'm going to teach you that here in a little bit. Now guns, you should never, ever look down the barrel of a gun, okay? Because what if it goes off and then it shoots you in the face, and then you could possibly die or get really injured.
And then my dad
Stop doing that.
got a cousin.
Now this gun is called a 22. Now some guns are very loud and they will kick back really hard. Now this one doesn't. This one doesn't make very much noise, so I'll teach you that here in a little bit. So we're gonna go off this gun. I'm first gonna teach you how to load it with some bullets. Now Jenny is holding in her hand what I had at the very beginning. This is called a clip, and it holds the bullets that you have to put in the gun. And I just barely taught her how to load it, so she is going to show you how to do it. And all guns are different. Some guns you load different, but this is how you do this one. Now Jenny, what is inside of a bullet that makes it fire?
It's powder.
Yes, black powder. Now this fits just a certain amount of bullets. It might only fit like 6, so it has a spring in it. And if you can't fit any more, that probably means that it has enough in there. So now let's put it inside the gun. Jenny, show us where you would put this, the bullets, and which way you would do it.
I would put it this way in because you want to shoot this way, not this way.
Right, okay.
So I would put this in.
Until you hear a kind of click sound, right? You hear it?
Well, I guess that one didn't really click.
That one didn't click, huh? But I think it's in there. Okay, now let's show you where the bullet is. It's right there. It's facing the right direction. Okay, and we have this lever right here. And once we push the lever in and push it down, it is now ready to fire. But you see this little pin right here. Now this, if we can show, this has an F and an S on it. The F stands for fire, and an S meaning that you can shoot the gun. An S stands for safety. So push that down, Jenny. Push it down. Push it down hard. Get it, Jenny? No, are you pushing the right way? So you go this. Okay.
Oh.
Now that is on safety. And that, no matter what we do, if we pull the trigger, it will not fire. Now, Jenny, which way should you point the gun?
Up.
Probably up. Never point it at someone. Why?
Because then you can shoot someone and they'll die. Or you could shoot them in the head and get a little crack.
So always be aware of where your gun is pointing, right?
But in Soldier's movie, they put it like this.
Right. That's still pointing up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have a target. Our target is the bottle. So let's shoot a bottle. Okay, every gun, it has what is called sights on it. Now, this gun, just like any other gun, you see how you have this right here, and right in the middle is a gap. Now you want to look through this, and over here is another sight. And you want to, as you're looking through it, you want to line this right up in the middle of this sight. And then you want to put wherever you're shooting the target right in the middle of this one. And now when you go ready to shoot the gun, you want to just squeeze the trigger. The trigger is down here. Now it's important to only keep your hands here or here before you fire the gun. Never keep it here because you might accidentally fire the gun. Okay? All right, Jenny's gonna demonstrate how to shoot the bottle. Okay, it was on safety. She's gonna click it to fire. Oh, it didn't go off. Okay, so it's important. It didn't go off, so we don't look down the barrel to see what happened, right? So now let's use our lever and pop that bullet out and just start over, okay? Very good. Let's try it again. So close. Good job, Jenny. Now on this gun, you have to pop it out and do it again. You got it! Good job, Jenny. Now, I know that you're super excited, and it's important not to get too excited and do this. Whoa, did you guys see that? That was such a good shot, huh? It was really good. Yeah, so don't do that. Once you have a really exciting shot, you should go, hey guys, did you see that? That was awesome. Poor lady, she's still over here shaking. She's so afraid of guns. Hopefully we'll break her of that. All right, now it's important to have safety gear. You should probably have some earplugs or ear muffs that go over your ear because some guns are really loud. But in this case, this 22 or a pellet gun doesn't make that much noise, and so that's why we don't have anything on. Or if you're just around the house using a play gun, you probably don't need earplugs because all you're gonna do is go pew, pew. That doesn't make very much noise. I like it when it hits rocks and you can hear it go. Oh, you're not hitting the rocks. Yeah.
There you go.
All right, now another safety tip is to make sure you can see how Jenny is in front of me and in front of you, Julie. You have to make sure the person who is shooting is in front of you. Don't ever stand in front of them, so make sure you're standing behind them. Got it? Capiche?
Capiche.
All right, Julie's gonna fire. You shoot it. I like the sound effects. Yeah! Shoot it again. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned the safety and the fun that you can have while you're shooting a gun and knowing what things are for. All right, don't forget to subscribe and look forward to our next video on what is this for. and what is it? And so you can learn a little things. All right, have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you look at Lady how she's shaking. You gotta watch that.